Well, hello everyone, it's your boy Handy Danny, and today I got a tutorial for you. I want to show you a quick and easy fix. Has this ever happened to you? You go to raise your window shade up, and what happens is it's a little low, okay? And what has happened here? All right, so let me show you exactly how to fix that, okay? So before I show you how to fix this, I'm asking you one thing. I'm asking you to subscribe. I'm asking you to like this video. But there's two ways you can do it, okay? You can just take this roller shade, if you can reach it, and if you flip it back over, and I start to adjust the wheel there, you can see everything's working out perfect. Another thing that you could have done is, see this little ball right here? All you have to do is just release this ball by pinching it. So right here, you can see it's open mouth. Right? On the back side here, if you just pinch that little ball, once you raise this shade up to where you want it, you kind of get that ball where you need it, okay? And then you pinch it back on the wire there, and it's always gonna stop right there. That's your real quick and easy way on how to adjust the shade. You know, I am the guy who showed you how to adjust the mini blind, and that video almost has about 2 million views on it. You can check it out right here. But make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and I got a new mic. Let me know how my mic sounds. Let me know if I sound better in these videos. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.